When all is said and done, when the lights no longer throw their burning light on souls too weary to stay, I stand here, my broken parts too present to hide, hung on the wall with push pins and barbed wire, cut with the knife hidden in my side like a mark left from birth, as though my ancestors knew. One day, I may have to cut out parts of who I am in this world of non sequiturs just to feel connected. I've removed so much I had to build a warehouse to store the pieces, pulling out parts and assembling myself like a puzzle missing edges. I don't quite fit me anymore. The last part of me cut out was my heart, filled with poems of false pretense and failed attempts at peace, locked in a room with a promise, the only key in your possession. And I offered it to you as a gift, trying so hard to outdo Van Gogh. This promise is yours. Hide it away. Keep it from sunlight so it'll never fade. Pull it out when no one is looking so they can't steal my words. I am always here. But you were a ticking time bomb. And me, not standing back to survive, I took memories like shrapnel, catching words like love, coughing up blood from pierced lungs, calling it consumption. I cling to the past, wanting nothing more than to hold all I know, rather than trading it in for a chance to live. Death is easier sometimes, but it never leaves me satisfied. As if two hands had been pop art. Van Gogh trying to sell us earrings, mixing up pairs, claiming the differences make them special. The differences, they made us fail. I tempted fate to match our puzzle pieces, but you don't quite fit me anymore.